Hey beautifuls, here's the best braid down for your wig installs. So first you gotta moisturize your hair because you want your hair to be nice and smooth while you're braiding, and I start off with a part in the back and I section this off. This helps with retention. I'm going to part the middle of my head so I can just have a little bit more easier process, and I'm gonna start with my first braid. So once I got that section off, I gotta use my beautiful Inches hair growth oil. I put that all into my scalp and I also put it in my hair because your hair needs love. And I'm gonna start off with my first braid and I'm gonna braid not all the way to the bottom, just a little bit. And then for my second braid, I'm gonna show you a trick. So to keep your braids nice and flat, you're going to take a little piece of hair from your second braid and then add your first braid into your second braid, start braiding, and then you're going to take that piece you took out and put it into that braid, and this is how you will keep those braids nice and flat. And you're going to continue that process until you get to your last braid. So remember that hair in the back that we sectioned off? You're going to use that for your last braid. Continue on with the same process, but make sure when you are braiding your hair in the back, you want to tilt your head down because this helps with hair growth and avoid stiffness. And just like that, beautiful, you are done. You literally just made the best braid down for your wig installs.